Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group UN1TY, which is on 1T, UN1TY, and this is their song Coba Cintaku music video. So let's see what they're gonna be giving me. I reacted to No Mellow, which is in my background of a picture. Oh, please don't tell me it's gonna be another love slow song. Oh, it is. I guess, you know, show their vocal ability.
Selalu menginginmu hingga cinta jadi candu dan buatku terus memburu dirimu. Ku nikmati cinta sendiri dulu, membiarkan aksara asmara bercanda padaku. Kamu belum seutuhnya coba cintaku, walau harus masih ku tunggu dirimu meninggalkan dia yang bukan untukmu. Merayumu, akulah bahagiamu. Kau pun sudah tahu itu cintaku. Ku nikmati cinta sendiri dulu, membiarkan aksara asmara bercanda padaku.
I need a pop song, that poop pop pop. This is cute. What's up with all this recommendation, this slow love song? Come through, colors, colorations. Ooh, that was nice.
Cepat sudah kau tinggalkan bisikan hatimu tentang kita berdua.
Oh, that was so good. They've shown their vocal ability with these slow songs. Okay. Okay, on 1T, thank you so much for that. Like I said over and over before, when it comes to these slow jam songs, I don't really care for. However, you get to hear the vocal ability within the group, so I'll do it like that about those slow songs. But I like me some pop dancing song, pop lock and drop it song. But this was cute, so thanks to the person who recommended me react to this. I really do appreciate it, and also thanks to the ones who's bringing the iPop channel. I really do like it so much. So keep coming with a recommendation. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can I really do appreciate it. Thank you.